Good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for clicking on the Wednesday Afternoon Weather Webcast for March 4th, 2015. I'm meteorologist Nate Harrington. After a warm day yesterday, highs climbed into the low 80s and some middle 80s in spots in the southwest Georgia portion of our viewing area. Today, more warm air, not quite as warm, but other spots have seen the 80s again for this afternoon. There you see low temperatures to start off the day, lots of fog, lots of low-level clouds for our Wednesday morning. 59s in Abbeville and Blakely, the cool spots. 66 Andalusia was the warm spot with a lot of 61s and 62s scattered throughout the wiregrass. With the clouds that we had around this morning, those really haven't given way. We've seen a little bit of sunshine poke through, enough to warm us up, but the clouds have held court for this afternoon, and even a little few light showers on radar that you see moving from southwest to northeast through the wiregrass. Those will continue, very light rainfall, just sprinkles for the rest of the day. There you see where the 80s have lined up well to the east. Eastern sections of the viewing area, 83 Marianna, 84 Donaldsonville, 81 Blakely, middle 70s, 75 a popular number in Ozark, Dothan, Geneva, Andalusia. The cooler air down closer to the coast where water temperatures are still in the middle 50s and the winds have blown out of the south and southwest today. Steady flow out of the south and southwest in the lower and middle levels of the atmosphere, moistening the atmosphere up. And there you see those showers that are basically straddling the Alabama-Mississippi state line from Meridian south to Mobile. We'll see a few little light showers around for the rest of the night, but a big cold front now stretched through the Texas, central portions of Texas through the mid-Atlantic states. There's going to be an icy go of it for folks in the Tennessee Valley once again, maybe a little snow mixing in. This is not going to be the type of winter storm they saw last week at this time. Basically 1 week ago, they were dealing with heavy snow, not the same system, not the same dynamics, but still a wintry situation for folks in the Tennessee River Valley and northern Alabama, Mississippi, and Georgia. Futurecast is going to paint that picture for us through the evening time hours. They'll see a mixture of a little bit of freezing rain and some sleet. By early tomorrow morning, we'll see some rain move into the wiregrass, but a very thin line of showers develops for us, not going to amount to too much at all. And then by Thursday afternoon into the evening, the front moves out and rain will end for us. There you see what will happen for the rest of the day. We're expecting the clouds to still be mixing in with a few light showers around. Those showers will be moving from southwest to northeast, and the front moves in early tomorrow morning. And there you see that thin line of showers associated with the front by 8 o'clock, by morning commute time. Not going to amount to too much, maybe a 5/100ths of an inch to maybe a 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 of an inch, maybe, and that will be the highest we see. I think an area of stronger showers develops down to our south and east, but that will stay southeast of us. Could clip our northwest Florida counties in the Panhandle. Folks in Jackson County, maybe Holmes and Washington County could see some heavier rain in southwest Georgia, but most of southeast Alabama will stay out of that heavier rainfall zone. And then by Friday afternoon, we'll see some clouds mixing in, but colder temperatures will be the theme. Watch what happens to our temperatures by tomorrow morning. We're going to be squarely in the 60s, lots of 69s, possibly 70 degrees by early tomorrow morning. But the front will be on our doorstep already by 6 o'clock. Futurecast pointing at temperatures in Troy falling into the 50s. And here comes the front. Through midday, we could see numbers dropping into the 40s with a little bit of sunshine, could warm back up. But temperatures will be falling throughout the day into the 50s by 3 o'clock for most everybody in the wiregrass, and even some upper 40s for us. So temperatures will be dropping very quickly for tomorrow as that front moves in, and that'll set up a cooler, drier forecast for us through Friday and the weekend ahead. And we'll have full details on that forecast in the 5-day coming up on News 4 at 5, 6, and 10. Also on WRGX News at 5:30 and First News at 4 with meteorologist Thomas Skiboy. We'll talk more about that 5-day forecast coming up in a few minutes, but right now we'll see you back here on Thursday.